Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday to you. What a weekend that was. That went pretty quickly. Here in Iowa, yesterday was really kind of gloomy and rainy, and it was a great day to just do some research and made a big pot of stew for my family. And so it was a good day, nice, relaxing day. My name's Tina Hewerman, and I'm an affiliate with Go Beyond Natural here out of Des Moines, Iowa. And I'm very happy to have you with us today. I hope you find this information helpful to you in making decisions. Today's topic is going to be on the beauty care line. And last week, I posted a picture of my skin tone changes. And I don't know if you saw that picture, but it's down there. I'll post a link of it in the description here when I'm done. But 1 month using these beauty products, the skincare line, I'm blown away at the difference. My wrinkles, my goodness, they're not gone, but they're so much smaller. And this one here, this is called the eye cream. I don't know, well, not really a good picture of it, but maybe this. This is the eye cream that is available to purchase from my website. I have always suffered with really puffy eyes under here. Lots of, I go in spurts where I don't sleep a lot. I'm definitely not good on hydration. I'm getting better on that though. But let me just show you, like this here, just a tiny drop like that. And you want to use these fingers because they're not as strong as the others. And this is a very delicate area under your eyes. And so you just kind of want to pat that in there like that and let it sit and absorb. This used twice a day on your eyes, and you will not even believe the difference after just a week. I've had this about 4 days, and my husband last night, I showed him my before and after picture,